Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody and we're getting close to the festive holiday season, and a lot of stores have really pretty sequin dresses, especially Zara. So I made a Zara order and I want to see how their stuff is. I already have this amazing sequin dress. It is it looks like this. So I love this dress a lot, and I got it like 8 years ago, and it still is the best dress that I have. It was like maybe $200 back then, which was a lot for me because I was just like, I just graduated high school, so this was really pricey for me back then. But it was one of those things that when I saw, like, I fell in love with it, and I don't regret it at all. It luckily still fits me. I was a little bit thinner, but yeah, I guess the fit is still okay. The sequins are just the good thing about the sequins is that they don't make you big. Like, they're very flat, and this is why it's like very, I guess, the difference between expensive and cheaper stuff. Besides this dress, I also have a gold sequin dress which I got for $25 from Abercrombie last year. I think because it was a pandemic, nobody wanted to buy sequin dresses, so I got that on a really cheap price. But yeah, let's get into the ZARA haul. So I ordered like a bunch of items, but I don't know why the box is so small. How did they fit everything in here? Okay, so first we have a plaid dress, which is not sequin, but I don't know, I thought like this would be an essential everyday thing to wear. So let's put that here. Okay. So next we have this sequin dress, which has leopard pattern. So the good thing is that it feels thin, so I like that. This could be promising. Next we have a sequin, red sequin top. Yeah, I want to like wear this one with the red pants, silky pants that I got, and see if it's a look or not. And then I also have the dress in the same material. So it's like this. I'm not sure. And finally we have another gold dress. This one actually feels really nice. It feels like it will hug your body because the material is like it's like thin and a little bit stretchy, so I like how this might fit. So yeah, and I want to put like my coin belt over this and see how it looks. Then I have a small box yeah, as you can see, this one is a simple black dress and it has a crystal fringe. And yeah, I think if this one fits, I will really like it, and 100% might keep this one because it's different, and as you dance, like, it's gonna move a little bit, so I feel like this is very fun. So now I will wear everything and put it together and see how it looks. Okay, so first of all, we have this dress. It is so beautiful in person. I think the camera doesn't do it justice. Yeah, it is. It feels really nice on the body because the material is like a thin sequin, so it like will hug your body, and the most beautiful thing about it is the back. And so here it's like hugging your body, and then it becomes a little bit loose, but it's so beautiful. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I will try a belt on it just to see how it looks, but just by itself it is like a showstopper, and you will like glow in this. Yeah. And here's how it looks like with the belt. But yeah, I feel like with this dress you should put your hair up or put it in the front because the back is super sexy and you want to show it. So next we have the sparkly fringe dress. So this dress, I got it in medium. Like the bottom part fits perfectly, but the strap is a little bit long, and also I wish I had more stuff going on here, so I feel like I should put like something in there to fill it up. But other than that, like, yeah, it's a beautiful dress. Yeah, and I really like how there's like a moderate amount of like crystals on here, because I saw a similar one on Shein, but it had like too many crystals and the V was a little bit deeper. So this one is more wearable and looks more classy compared to some other ones that I've seen. And yeah, it's simple, but it has a little something which I like. So next I have this red sequin top, and I was a little bit too lazy to tie the back, so basically I just wanted to see if it would work with the red pants that I got from the last haul. I really love these pants, but I'm trying to like get the top that will like make the outfit really work. What do you guys think? So then we have this red dress. So this one is a similar material as the one that I had from Abercrombie, but yeah, that one I got for so cheap. And the only thing about this is like I like the color, but the fit is not working completely because the tag is in the back, and I think the back is where the tag should be, but it fits like, I don't know, like I don't. So there's like a big gap, and I know that might theoretically be sexy, but like I'm not really into this. So yeah, and it's kind of, it's like average, but it's not like working for my type of body. So but I do like how it looks from the front, and I guess I could like put my hair back. Also, like most of these dresses that I ordered don't have adjustable straps, so that makes it like why don't they just add it? Especially like if you're paying so much for a dress, it should definitely have adjustable straps. So next is this dress, and it does have like these things, but it also has something that resembles like a strap, but they're like stupid anyway, so I'm just gonna put them inside and see. Yeah, so the fit of this dress is just awkward, and it's not, I don't recommend it. I don't know what those like strap looking things are. It already has the other stuff, but it, like the idea was supposed to be good because it has these corset kind of boning here, but it just doesn't stay up, and if I go a size smaller, the bottom wouldn't fit me. So yeah, I don't recommend this one. But the idea of having a pattern with the sequin was interesting, but yeah. So next, I have this plaid dress. It is not for like New Year or Christmas, but I guess like it's very like wearable, and I thought this is something I can wear to the lab with black tights and black boots. Just something casual but cute. And it has like these ruchings here and even on the sleeves. Yeah, I think I really like this dress. It's very like practical, and the quality is really good. It's the color is structured and nice. So yeah, and it has like a houndstooth kind of pattern with brown in it, which makes it like really pretty for fall as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm definitely going to do a hair care video. And I keep saying that, but I keep not making it. And it's because I want to like film how I take care of my hair in the shower as well, and after it's wet. And it might be a little, it's kind of hard to film, so it keeps getting postponed, but it's definitely on my to-do list. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye.